Now it's never ready. G'day guys, Brent from Outback Equipment here, and today we're going to run you through cooking banana pancakes on a hot plate. Okay, super simple recipe guys. We've got some bananas here, a single chicken egg, we've got some oats, some honey, some cinnamon, some butter, we've got some campfire knives here, we've got a few other bits and bobs and utensils that you'll need, a bowl to mix it all up, and some plates to serve it on. So we're going to grab the ripest banana, we're going to peel it, and then we're going to chuck it in the bowl and mash it up. Get it nice and gooey and sticky, nice and thick. Don't need that anymore. So once your banana's been thrashed, grab your chicken egg, or bun nut as some people call it, crack her open and shove her in. So we're going to grab some oats now, we're going to chuck it in there, get a good heaping in there, but enough to get a good consistency. Now we got the oats in there, we're going to smash it up and get a good consistency. Add a bit more if you need to. At this point you can't really take any out either. Now we're going to bash a little bit of the cinnamon in here. Give it a bit of pizzazz. Alright, so now we're going to get the pancakes on the grill. Right here we've got a Campfire solid flat hot plate. We're going to smash it with some spray and get it ready to go. So now we're just going to chuck the pancake on the hot plate. On a fire like this thing will take about 3 minutes either side, or until it's golden brown. And now for the flip. Go for it. Alright, this little fella's looking pretty good now, so we're just going to whip it off the plate. So now that one's ready, we're just going to get it ready to eat basically. So we're going to throw some fruit on it, a little bit of honey, cheeky bit of cinnamon, and what better way to top off a banana pancake than with some more banana. Alright, now for the taste test. Pretty good. If you want to give this one a bash yourself, we'll have the recipe in the description below. If you want to grab one of the hot plates we've used today, it'll be available all day, every day on outbackequipment.com.au. If you like what you're seeing, give us a like and subscribe to our channel, and if you have any questions about this one, hit us in the comments down below. Catch you in the next one. Sweet, super simple recipe. What you're going to need are some bananas,